Hello again, my student. Okay, now we start Kingdom Animalia. First part of Kingdom Animalia were cancelled this year. Now we start second part in Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom consists of many phylum. Now we start with phylum chordate. Okay, phylum chordate. What is the characteristic of this figure? It's most developed animal. It is animal and well developed. Their fetus have a skeleton that have a bones in this body, and in their back have a skeleton in their back. That skeleton called nutshot, which may stay inside the animal till it dies. Nutshot turn into vertebral column. يبقى there is skeletal structure, there is a skeleton, and this skeleton called nutshot and turned into vertebral column. All those phylum, all the previous phylum which are cancelled, which don't have vertebral column, but they are cancelled. Now, phylum, or this phylum chordate, consists of many subphylum. First subphylum called vertebrate. What is the characteristic of vertebrate? Nutshot appear them in embryonic stage. While embryo, in first part of life, nutshot appear. As their fetus grow up, nutshot turn into vertebral column, which surround and protect the spinal cord. They have endoskeleton. What I mean by endoskeleton? Bones and skeleton inside their body, and consist of vertebral column and skull and limb. Their heart have many chambers like a human. Our heart have 4 chambers. Okay, our 4 parts. They have a blood flowing in blood vessel. They have a blood and the blood vessel. يبقى heart and blood vessel and endoskeleton. Okay, which provide all body oxygen and nutrient. We now subphylum vertebrate mini class. First class, Agnats. That is Agnats. Class Agnatha, okay, it is have many characteristics. They are a fish and circular mouth, resemble funnel, and many teeth and no jaw. Fish, circular mouth, funnel shape, okay, and have many teeth. Fish, circular mouth, funnel shape, and have many teeth and no jaw. Their body, thin body, okay? Their body are thin. This is snack fish. They don't have double fine. They have a cartilaginous skeleton. This skeleton are cartilage. Cartilage, no bone. They are parasite. What I mean by parasite? Eat and get nutrient from another individual. Okay, they stick to bigger fish through their mouth and they take the nutrient from this big fish. They fix themselves by teeth into this fish and bite them, then eat. Lamprey fish. Second class, Kundiri. Kundiri mean cartilaginous. Kundirices have a cartilaginous fish. They are aquatic fish with a cartilaginous endoskeleton. Their mouths are located in abdomen. Mouth of cartilaginous fish or Kundiri have a mouth in their abdomen and have 2 jaws carrying some row of teeth, 2 row and two jaws, and some row of teeth help them in predation. They have a double fine. Their body are covered with scales resembling teeth, and they have air bladder. Why air bladder? Help their body in floating on the surface of water. Their gill opening are not a cover. They are unisexual, and their fertilization is internal, like sharkfish or whiteback fish. Class Ostrithids. Ostrithids, they are a fish with life in both salt water and fresh water. Have endoskeleton but bone endoskeleton. Their mouths are located in front of body. Their mouths are located in front of body. They have a single and a double fine. Their body are covered with bony scale, and their gills opening are covered with gill. They are unisexual, and their fertilization is external, like a buri fish and balti fish. Class Amphibia. It is new class. They are cold-blooded animal. What I mean by cold-blooded animal, that animal can't have a control on their temperature. May change in their body temperature and can't control this temperature in environment. They have a forelimb. They have a forelimb and have a 5 finger. Pentadactyl may have 5, benta like 5. They are unisexual, male and female separated, and the fertilization is external. They have 2 life cycles, in embryo stage and adult stage. In embryo stage, they live in water and they breathe by gills. In adult stage, they live on land and they breathe air by lung and the skin. In the embryo stage, live in water and they breathe by gills. The adult stage, live in land and they breathe by lung and the skin. Example, salamander, toads, frog. Class Reptilia. Class Reptilia, cold-blooded animal. Their temperature equal to environment. Class Reptilia, their body consists of head, neck, trunk, tail. Head, neck, trunk, tail. They have a forelimb. 4 quadri. 4 mean quadripteria. And weak 5 finger, pentadactyl. Each finger with horny claw. Some reptilia doesn't have limb and move by creeping. Some reptilia doesn't have limb and move by creeping. Doesn't have limb and move by creeping. They breathe air by lung. Sexual are separated and the fertilization is internal. They lay egg with skinny beals. Skinny are dry and covered by thick horny scales, which my horny blade. Lizard, Rico, crocodile, and snake. Class Aves. Bird. Characteristic of bird. Characteristic of bird. Warm-blooded animal. Their body are covered with feathers, have a forelimb. 2 forelimb are modified to wing. Again, warm-blooded animal. Means have a constant temperature. Their body are covered with feathers. Their body are covered with feathers. They have a forelimb. They have a forelimb. 2 forelimb. They have a forelimb. 2 forelimb. 2 of them modified to wing for flying. Modified to wing for flying. And each hand limb with horny claw for climbing or moving or swimming. This 2 wing and this to swim or climbing or movement. Their bones are light. Why? Why we need bones are light? And sternum bone is flat to make them fly. Must their bone be light and hollow, and sternum bone is flat. They breathe air by lung, and their body have air sac to store air. Sex are separated, male and female. They lay egg. Bigon, swallow, vultures, eagles, ostrich. Class Mammalia. Class Mammalia, what is the characteristic of class Mammalia? Hot-blooded animal. Their body have a four-part head, neck, chest, abdomen. Their skin are covered with hair. They have 4 polydactyl and 5 finger limb with nail, claws or hoofs. Class Mammalian hot-blooded. Class Mammalian 4-part head and neck and chest and abdomen. Their skin covered with hair and they have 4 polydactyl with a nail. They have a different non-similar teeth. Our teeth non-similar. Molar, tusk, incisor. Sexes are separated, unisexual, and fertilization is internal. Most of them give a birth and have a mammary gland which secrete milk for baby. They are breathed by rank. This class consists of 3 subclasses: Brutotheria, Metheria, and Eutheria. Okay, Brutotheria don't give birth, but they lay egg. Brutotheria, like a duck-billed. It is don't give a birth, but lay egg. And the babies feed on milk secreted from mammary gland, but this mammary gland in abdomen. And they have opening. This opening secrete waste and the egg. Subclass Metatheria. Young is not fully developed. Like a kangaroo. So mother to keep inside the bush young born food by milk from nibbles inside the bush until it's fully developed, like a kangaroo. Subclass Eutheria. They are placental organisms which are born developed mother. They feed on milk secreted by mammary gland. They have many organisms. Okay. Eutheria have many order. Order Edenta, order Insectivora, order Carnivora, order Basidioctylia, order Antidactylia, order Cactica, order Rodentaria, order Logomopharia. Okay. Now we start this order. Order Edenta. E means without, denta means teeth. It is without teeth. Most of them are without teeth. Some of them have only front teeth and strong curved claw, like armadillo and sloth. Insectivora. Insect eaters. They feed on insect and have a teeth like a pincers for predation too, like Carnivora. Carni meat. Vora eat a meat eater. They have large pointed and canine. And they feed on meat. Their front molar are sharp and the back molar and broad for crushing. Sharp for tear and back molar breed for crushing. They have a sharp and strong and curved claw, like a cat, dog, tiger, fox, wolf, seal. Order Brachydactyla. Okay, that have a fingers. It is herbivorous animal. Herbivorous eat herb. They have odd number of finger. 1 finger, 3 finger, 5 finger with horny hoof. They have a large teeth for crushing food. Horse, donkey, zebra, rhinoceros. Artiodactyla. Even finger. They have a finger, but even. It is odd, it is even. It is odd, it is even. They are herbivorous only and have even number 2 or 4 or 6 fingers covered with horny hoof, like a sheep, goat, giraffe, gazelle, camel. Order Cacticus. Whale. Okay, they have a huge aquatic animal. Aquatic live in water and huge animal sea, and ocean. The two forelimbs are modified to paddle. Okay, they have no kind limb. They breathe by lung, and the sexes are separated and give their body to suckle milk, like a dolphin and whale. Order Rodentaria. They have a pair of incisors. Order Rodentaria have a pair of incisors in both upper and lower jaw, and their incisor. They have a long tail and small ear. Mice, rats, coral, zebra. Order Legomorpha. They have a two pair of incisors in upper jaw and one pair in lower jaw that have pair in both upper and lower, that have two pair in upper and one pair on lower. They have a short tail and long ear, rabbit and ears. Order Clyopatra. They have a hand and a finger, but a finger are attached by skin. The forelimbs are modified to wing. They have the second and the fifth finger of each forelimb elongated and the skin extended from the body to this finger. They become active all night like a bat. Proboscis, okay? They have a long muscular trunk. This body have a long muscles. Their front teeth grow forming elephant fangs. Teeth growing forming elephant fangs. Order Primate. They are most developed mammals and they have two pair of polydactyl limbs. Their finger is away from the other finger and they have developed nervous system and the big brain like a human. Primate, most developed mammals, they have two pair of polydactyl limb, thumb finger is away from the other finger and they have developed nervous system like a monkey and the human and chimpanzee and gorilla. Thank you all and good luck. And how to study that. Any class or subclass or kingdom have an item like movement and feeding and habitat and sexual. We were to compare them to full mark in biology. Thank you.